Hi, TSA aspirants. Interested in acing the TSA CBT? You're in the right place. For today, we're going to show you how to effortlessly master the Connect the Dots test on your first try. A lot of aspirants believe the Connect the Dots questions in the new test format are easy. But if you're one of them, let's look at why you might be mistaken about that. Connect the Dots is something that can make or break your exam. Wondering why? Here's the thing. While each individual question may not be timed, the new TSA CBT exam is designed to be completed in just 25 to 45 minutes. This means you'll need to fly through this section to save time for the most challenging part, 2D, 3D interpretation. And that's where most candidates run out of time. So you must master Connect the Dots to have a shot at your dream TSA job. And if you're interested, we have also got an explainer on 2D, 3D shape interpretation you can watch right here or check out the description. That being said, get ready to pay attention to the little details as we start with a question straight from our TSA CBT prep course. On the exam, you can get one of 3 types of Connect the Dots questions. The first type is numerical, in which you complete a number sequence. The second type is alphabetical, and as you may have guessed, contains alphabets instead of numbers. The third type, alphanumerical, is quite unique as it contains a mix of both letters and numbers. Regardless of the type, your goal is quite simple: to join the dots in a defined order, going from the first number or letter to the last. Connect the Dots questions can be tricky to solve if you lack the right skill set for them. What's that, you ask? Well, the most important skill is hand-eye coordination. Sounds simple, but during the rush of the exam, it is quite common for candidates to commit a number of easily avoidable errors, especially when the ideal time to solve Connect the Dots questions is 5 seconds or less. Next, you must pay attention to every little detail on the screen. This includes the type of question, the number of elements present, and especially the order which you must follow. All of these details add up to ensure your success in Connect the Dots. Last but definitely not least, you need ample practice with quality training materials. And not just a few questions here and there, practice with resources curated to the specific demands of the TSA CBT, which offer various formats and match the difficulty level of the real test. This is where most candidates falter in their learning journey. Remember, the quicker you get through Connect the Dots, the more time you have to navigate the complexities of the other 2 sections of the test. Wondering how? If you need help honing these skills, our prep course is expertly designed to make this test section a breeze. We provide practice quizzes with varying difficulty levels. With our detailed performance tracking and personalized feedback, you can learn at your own pace, and offer expert advice and exclusive tips that take your Connect the Dots skills to the next level. Click the link in the description to access Prepterminal's exclusive practice platform. You'll be ready to dominate this section and crush the entire TSA CBT exam.